I have some mukbangs. I have some vlogs. I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like. I need you to share. I need you to subscribe, please.
Hey guys, I'm back again with another video, which I'm trying to do it quick because there's a lot of noise in my house. So today is Christmas and I have company. So I am doing a tag today, which I was tagged by Funko Pop to do, and it is All I Want, where you have to say 5 things that you really want, and it's Funko Pop Ohana. I make sure I say the Ohana part because I always forget that. So the first thing, guys, my nose is itching. The first thing I want is a P.O. box. The second thing I want is world peace. Yes, I really wish I could have that. The third thing I want is $1 million. And the fourth thing I want, is just to be able to give everybody that I want to a gift. And 5, just spread love to everyone. That's pretty much it, guys. I don't have like a lot of things that I want as far as like material things, except for the P.O. box. And the other things are just things I would love just to have just in general. So I'll see you guys next time. But before that, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's, or Happy Holidays for those who don't celebrate Christmas. Until next time, guys. Bye. Hey guys, remember, like, subscribe, share this video with everyone you know. Let them know what Queen of Trades and the MKW crew is doing over here. Till the next time.
I have some mukbangs. I have some vlogs. I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like. I need you to share. I need you to describe, please.